your own language, you have a personality. You are funny, you are expressive, and you have a specific vibe. But in English, that person disappear? Many of you might complain about, oh, I know so many words of English, oh, I know the grammar rules, but how I still cannot speak naturally. That is because you are missing the flow. Natural flow isn't about how many words you know, it's about how you use them to breathe. And to follow the rhythm, I will share 3 elements of flow that you can follow along. To not waste your time, let's start with the first element. The first element is the thought buffers, using fillers. Native speakers don't stop talking when they think. They use thought buffers instead of mm, a long silence like that. But they use phrases like, you know what I mean? Or, how can I say that? It keeps the music of the conversation going while you are still thinking what you're going to say next. The second element is word stress. The melody. Stop giving every word the same weight. English is the rhythmic language. You need to zoom in on the most important word in sentence and let others fade. This is how you create emotion, not just information. Okay, I have examples for you. I will say the same sentence, but I will stress on the different word. Well, the first one is, I didn't say he stole the money. This look like a robot. Like,
I didn't say he stole the money.
okay, let's take a look at the second one. I didn't say he stole the money. I didn't say he stole the money. I stress on I. That means someone else might say, but I didn't say that. And the third one is, I didn't say he stole the money. I didn't say he stole the money. It means I think someone else might stole, but he didn't steal, of course. And the last one is, I didn't say he stole the money. I didn't say he stole the money. So that means he might borrow it or just ask for it, but he didn't steal it. Well, you can see the difference because I stress on different word and it give me the different meaning. And the last element is breaking the rules. In level 3, we are focusing on being heard, not just being right. That means we focus on what we are saying and what people gonna hear us. And about the right, we already have for level 1 and level 2. We already know that. But it is about how we delivered the content to the audience or the listener. Sometimes that means using slang or making a mistake and just laughing it off. The flow happens when you stop being a robot and start being a human. The way I mastered this was by shadowing. But it's not like in textbook. It's like I found someone that I like the vibe or the movie that I like. I copy them. I copy the sound, the voice, the rhythm, body language, the poses, everything. It's like learning a song. Once you get the rhythm, the flow just fall into place. And what is shadowing? Well, I will show you what is shadowing look like.
Do you know Planck's constant?
Do you know the Earth orbits the sun?
Okay, so I know it starts with and then what is it?
Okay, let's be clear on this. I haven't heard from you in a week, and now you want a mathematical question that you should know so you can save the world.
Susie Poo, I promise I will make it up to you as soon as possible.
You can make it up to me now.
What?
I want to hear it.
Not right now.
Yes, now, Tasiban.
Susie Poo.
Let's see the real you. Tell me one thing that you are truly passionate about in the comments, And don't worry about the grammar, just let it flow. If you're ready to finally sound like yourself, hit like and subscribe for more of this journey. I'm Pim and we are growing together from Thai to Try. Okay, I will go now and see you the next episode. Bye bye.